Hello guys, Marlon here, Southwest Florida Southwest. Just get done to pressure washing second gas station here. And my account that I'm doing every quarters. And I'm just wrapping up. See my truck out there, you can see. As you can see it. Right there. It's my truck there. Yeah, we just got done here wrapping up. And gas station pump is a lot cleaner it was before. You can see that. And we just did two. Summit right there, that's the handicap parking place. Manager just asked me to clean that too because very dirty and very messy. So yep. By the way guys, to all my friends that have been following me and anybody, thank you for following my page and my business page and through YouTube channel Southwest Florida Southwest and Marlon. And you know anybody that need a window cleaning, pressure washing, roof washing, gutter cleaning, and so as solar panel cleaning, we'll do that too. Join the market for exterior cleaning. I will just send me a message. I'll get back to you guys. And you guys have a great night. Bye bye.